Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our singing assembly. We're going to give it a go. Apologies in advance for my singing, but we're going to try and do a singing assembly. Just a couple of songs I think will be enough. So we're going to start with From the Tiny Ant. So, sitting up straight. Smiles on faces. Let's see if this works. Remember, I sing, you sing, okay? Mums and dads, you need to join in as well. Here we go. Got my words. From the tiny ant to the elephant, from the snake to the kangaroo, from the great white shark to the singing lark. Care for them, it's up to you. Care for them, it's up to you. Everyone, no one else will care for them. It's up, it's up, it's up to you. Great start. Well done. I think one verse will be enough for today. Okay, you ready for another one? We're gonna go for, let me see if I can find it. We know this one really well. Give me joy. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising. Give me joy in my heart, I pray. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising. Keep me praising till the end of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Peace, give me peace in my heart, keep me resting. Give me peace in my heart, I pray. Give me peace in my heart, keep me resting. Keep me resting till the end of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Give me love in my heart, keep me serving. Give me love in my heart, I pray. Give me love in my heart, keep me serving. Keep me serving till the end of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Last one. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Keep me burning till the end of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Great work. I really hope you joined in. I think that's enough for singing assembly today. I might be back next week, depending on how many likes we get. Okay. I hope everybody's staying safe. We're really missing you all, boys and girls. And I'll see you soon, I hope. Bye.